What I have here is a Weber Original 22-inch kettle. Now, I was on social media and came across a post on forum on a neighborhood I live in, and neighbor had left out some items out on the curb, and this happened to be also on the curb. So looked at the time that it was posted, and it was about 20 minutes since the neighbor had posted that post. So I thought about it. I was like, should I go drive by? It's not that far. It's just essentially uh, 2 streets down from here, from where I'm at. So I told my wife, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna head down there and check it out and see if it's still out there. And it was getting dark already, so went down there right when I drove up on to the street that it was at. The light from my car shined right on it, and it was the last thing left out on the curb. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take it. So I put the lid in my trunk. Couldn't get also the bottom half of it into my trunk, so I just stuck it in the back seat. Text my wife that I got it and came back home. So here it is. So overall, like, it's still in pretty good shape. Obviously, it's dirty. The body, you do have a little rust right there. Uh, I'm guessing that it was left out, you know, bad weather conditions, and here are the wheels. So they have some parts missing to the Weber. And then on the other wheel, it's all jacked up right there. Ash pan still good. Now, now this right here, it's rusted off. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it's rusted. It needs to be replaced. So at one point, it couldn't even move, and I had worked on it, so I was able to get it moved. So it's gonna get replaced and show you what it looks like inside. Cooking great. Yeah. Charcoal grate. Yeah. Pretty bad shape. So here it is. Yeah. Can't work like that, right? But, that's easily replaceable. Get it on at the Weber website or Amazon. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm planning on doing that. I'm gonna replace it. Give it a good wash on the outside, good clean on the inside. Yeah, it's pretty good, I think. So with this one, this kettle, I think I might do some modifications to it that I don't want to do with my other kettle that I have. That one, my dad bought it for me for Christmas, and I don't think I want to mess with that one. Just keep it the way it is. But with this one, I think I'll try to do some stuff to it. Put a temp gauge, on this side right here. I don't know about, I probably won't replace the handle, maybe replace this handle. But, it's still good, just clean it up. and it's bent down right there towards the end, the bottom of it. But overall, I mean, still pretty good. I mean, the body itself, the lid and the bottom, I mean, other than just that rust spot, I mean, still good, you know, just give it a good clean. So that's what I'm gonna do. Still works. Yeah, pretty good. That's what I think. Well, pretty good for a curbside pickup, right? That's what's going on these days, right? Curbside. So that's what it is.